Another thing that we added into Loop Elements Deluxe is an effects engine. And this is really, really cool because it now gives you all of the effects right on interface, right on the GUI, the GUI, as they say. You can do all of these different effects on everything. So let's just take this as an example and we'll add some chorus to it. And then you can kind of play around with the speed. You can even add some fades to it. Really kind of make that into something you want. Chorus is cool, but delay can be really cool because it kind of doubles that. Then maybe I want to add some verb. You know? Then we have a deeper convolution reverb, which can get kind of funky. These effects are all up to you, but those are send effects. But we also have insert effects, which are really, really cool, like lo-fi. You know, and you can even add in some noise there, like that speaker noise, not speaker noise, but record player noise, which is cool. Lo-fi is good. You got the screamer, which is like a distortion. You can drive it, you know, really kind of make that into what you want. Distortion, straight up distortion. Make it really, really dirty. And some saturation to make it even dirtier. Ooh. And then jump, almost like another distortion or an exciter. But it's also got like a preamp, you know, a master and your master output here to kind of play around with. So that's cool for that. So those are the effects section, and you can literally use this in conjunction with the main engine and things like that, and your other filters to really get deep and dirty and take control over